Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Perhaps check plus. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now we gotta stop our breath. Oh yeah, you're moving.
And Diane wants a Walker, so I'll do the 2 for $6. And then do the 2 for $6 again. And you can have one for tonight and take one now.
Yeah.
Is that what you want? That would be $12.
Yeah.
And then get a really large screen that I can divide it when we get back to your house. And really large screen. And probably a large order price, no fault. Okay?
And the jalapeno.
What jalapeno things?
They a little $1 something a little
Poppers or something?
something like that. They call it something different. So amazing. No news on Dumbo. Well, I guess there's no news because he's working.
Well, I was going to have a nightmare tomorrow. Because he wants to get Diane a Christmas present.
Well, so you got to run around with him.
No.
Why not?
Diane saved me.
Oh, she did?
David that she wants a watch.
Oh, he was going to get something stupid.
I was going to have to bring him over here tomorrow to this Walmart, which I hate that with a
Oh, more than likely they wouldn't have it.
And then I would stand there and I'd point out which one she would like, and he would say, oh, no, she would look better in this.
And he'd pick out something that she didn't want.
Got it. But because of my watch and Diane going to East Freedom yesterday, I was saved. It's going to be about $14.
Oh,
Maybe a little bit less than that.
yeah. Yeah.
And then I'm going to do the 2 so then it's going to be almost 20.
Yeah.
So then I'm going to do the 2 for 6 for you.
Yeah.
So you can have one
There's jalapeno cheddar fries. I'm going to get those. Yeah.
Okay, if I get, you get 2 small fries, you get 2 small fries and 2 sandwiches.
Yeah.
I get her waffle, I want chicken.
Yeah.
Works out good.
Okay.
Get both sides of salt.
Yeah. And I get
We had the Pope's making his service.
Thank you for lunch. Really good.
For lunch.
The 2 for 10 was awesome.
So they are, you're Catholic then? That's how we brought up?
I brought up Roman Catholic. I'm Catholic. I still call myself Catholic, but not Roman Catholic.
The Pope
True difference.
There is a difference.
Like there's a difference between Southern Baptist and Baptist.
Yeah. Because the Vatican, all the Vatican is a corrupt corporation. The Vatican is like its own corp, and it's who knows? I wouldn't be surprised if the Pope is guilty of doing all this molestation too. But no, you say anything about the Pope, and you get your head bit off.
People lose their minds.
You know, I was sent to my room 80 million times for saying shit about the Pope.
You want the other half? I mean, they are so picky. And Southern Baptists do the hell of fire and brimstone, and they love to hit the pulpit every Sunday.
But the only thing wrong with the Baptists is they absolutely believe you can't be saved unless you're baptized. And that wasn't true.
No, it's the second birth to be born again.
Yeah, but you know, with the thief on the cross, he didn't get baptized. He just accepted Jesus.
Exactly.
And went to heaven. So that disproves it right there. So.
Well, that's the meaning of born again. That was his second birth. Yep. We have a second birth and a second death. So we have, when we physically die out of this body, who knows? We might be the people that just all of a sudden transfer. Well, but the dead in Christ will go up first. Still thinking. Yeah, my mom accused me of being a Bible thumper. And she was convinced Stella was a Jehovah's Witness. She was, why is she a Jehovah's Witness? I said she's not.
We started on that one. Okay, that was a big mistake. That chicken sandwich is not that good.
No, I wouldn't have got the original. No way.
Well, I told her, she asked me if I wanted the Italian or the original. I told her the Italian. And besides, that's full of grease. If I bite into it, and all it tastes is grease.